Hello guys, welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be giving a brief explanation on how I got these traits on my favorite pen, USGPY. I'll start by deleting these images or these drawings still. Then I'll be explaining also how to use trend line as a confluence for your point of interest. Now, I started my analysis from the daily time frame. I started my analysis from the daily time frame. I noticed that USDJPY is still bullish. It's still in an uptrend. So I observed this level, this our A level, the resistance level that was already used before, then got broken by this engulfing bullish candle over here. So this was my liquidity. As for the buys, this was my liquidity. So I have to go down to the 4-hour time frame to get a refinement for my entry. So at the 4-hour time frame, excuse me, at the 4-hour time frame, I also saw this resistance level here at our 4-hour time frame. This resistance level here that has already been used multiple times. It gave the first touch, gave this, okay, it didn't tap in here, gave the second touch, then got broken by this engulfing candle. So I took my buys from here. I took my buys from this level. Then my stop loss was at this area here. Then I was targeting here. Area. Why? Because there's already a break of structure to the downside, showing that the trend has already changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. That was how I caught this buy over here. Then at the 1-hour time frame, I noticed something. This was for the buy. At my 1-hour time frame, I noticed something. Market was creating series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, then got broken with this engulfing bearish candle. So I was like, okay, market is going to sell. But then market didn't use this zone here to buy. That was when I knew, okay, yeah, the trend is still bullish. So I had to go to my line chart to spot our trend line reversal to know if it matches together with my point of interest, which is the QM. So I spotted this. Oh, sorry. I spotted this area, this trend line here, this trend line reversal over here, and it was aligned together with my QM for my entry. So I decided to take my buys. I decided to take my buys from here. Then my stop loss below this level. Then my take profit area at this high. Because I knew markets will surely clear those highs. Sorry, this high here. That was how I took my buys. The market kept on buying. I waited for market here. I waited for market at this area because I know market will use that area to buy. But then we had our chart pattern for sales here. I've forgotten the name. Whenever I remember, I'll let you know. Maybe in my upcoming videos. There was this pattern. This is a chart pattern showing that markets will either break this zone, then break this zone with a full body candle. Remember, a full body candle. Break that zone, then continue buying. Or markets will break this zone with a full body candle, then continue selling. So I was just vigilant to know what the people were going to do till it broke this low. It broke that low with a full body. Now we are bearish at this level, at this point. So at my 5 minute time frame, sorry, I'm going this low. At my 5 minute time frame, there is already a market structure shift that occurred, which happened here. Then our point of interest, I'm using a QM I saw at this level, which is here. I took note of it, then went to my 15 minute time frame. Now I took my entry from there. Then my stop loss. Yeah, I took a loss on this trade because of spread. I took a loss on this trade because of spread. So my take profit area was somewhere at this level because I knew market was going to reach there. But to be disciplined and not to be greedy, I chose to take profit at this low here. So that was how I caught these sales and this buy in the market on USDJPY. So if this video was helpful to you, or you liked the video, or you've learned something from the video, just do me a favor by, you're not doing me a favor, you are doing you a favor. Just like, subscribe on your notification button to get notified whenever I post a video. Then share to your friends. You can also download for future reference. Share to your friends. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Share to your friends. Thank you.